Hi everyone! Are you looking for a TIG torch? We get the right product for you. Let me introduce to you our TIG torch. Ano nga ba ang TIG torch? These welding accessories consist of a long metal stem that is usually bent at an angle at the end in order to allow the welder to aim appropriately.
All accessories for TIG torch are available in our shop here at KDG Tools. If you have any inquiries, don't hesitate to message us on the numbers on the screen. We also have another welding torch available, the MIG torch. Unlike the TIG torch, this type uses a contact tip instead of a ceramic nozzle. There are a lot of differences between MIG and TIG welding, including with the accessories needed for these process. Contact us for more information to help you as well with your welding needs.
Always remember to choose high-quality products when it comes to your welding projects to ensure your safety and effectiveness of the process. Dito sa KDG Tools, we offer high-quality products for your needs. Again, I'm Pauline from KDG Tools and Equipment. See you in our next video!